Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream icing for cake. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of very cold heavy cream, which should contain at least 36% milk fat for the best stability. Also, have 2 to 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar and about 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract ready. Chilling your bowl and whisk for 15 minutes beforehand will significantly improve your results. Now let's get whipping. Attach your chilled whisk to your stand mixer or use a hand mixer. Pour the cold, heavy cream into the chilled bowl. Start on a low speed to prevent splattering, then gradually increase to medium-high. Whip until the cream forms soft peaks, then continue until it reaches medium-stiff peaks. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Be careful not to overwhip, or it will become grainy. Want to customize your whipped cream? For a chocolate version, gently fold in 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder after whipping. You can also add 1 to 2 tablespoons of fruit puree for a natural fruit flavor. To boost stability, especially in warmer conditions, consider adding 1 tablespoon of softened cream cheese or a small amount of dissolved gelatin. Always mix these additions gently to maintain the airy texture. Once your whipped cream icing is ready, it's best to use it immediately. You can spread it onto your cake with an offset spatula for a rustic look, or use a piping bag with your favorite tip for more intricate designs. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. For the best taste and texture, try to enjoy your delicious whipped cream icing within 1 to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.